Monday, 1 to 5s got hit twice on 2 different occasions. Tuesday, a couple 1 to 1s, and then yesterday we had one loss and then one 1 to 2. So overall, super profitable week, extremely profitable.
Well, yo boys, if you want to join the MambaFX live training room, it's going to be in the description of this video and every single video. Simply just come in here, boom, and you're in. That's it. Yo boys, I've been up all night. I got all my trading mistakes. I've gone through all of my videos. Guys, look, Ethereum is now starting to outperform BTC. This is super fucking good. Oh, I just fucking missed such a big... Emotions. I'm not emotional. But I've literally just uploaded yesterday's video as you're watching this. And I'm just getting ready for boxing. And to start off this video, I want to just kind of go over what I've noticed I'm doing wrong and what I need to improve on and what the plan is going forward with this challenge, because there's just minor adjustments I know I need to make, and you man might be the same. There's little things that you know you need to change which is costing you the difference. Yo boys, I've been up all night. I got home from boxing and I've literally just sat on my computer. It's now half midnight. I've not eaten. I need a shower. But boys, I've come up with the biggest problems. I've gone through all of my P&L, watched through all of my YouTube videos, my own YouTube videos, studied all of my trades. I've then gone into Mamba's Discord. And then what I've done is I've gone to the recordings, and Mamba posts the trade recordings, like the full videos every single day. And so what I've been doing is I've been watching them back, referencing my own videos and understanding where I'm going wrong. Now, I'm going to turn this around. So on this sheet, in fact, let's jump into the computer, right? Right, yo, boys. So here it is. We are in the computer now. Look, it's fucking late now, and I'm having technical difficulties with this recording shit. So it's like nearly 1 in the morning now. But, right, I've written out all my trading mistakes. I've gone through all of my videos and studied like the recent losses since starting the challenge and just big losing days. Like in my P&L, as you can see here, these losing days where there's losses and just unnecessary losses which I've discovered and I know I can change. I just know I'm so fucking like, there's just a few more things I need to sort out, and I'm starting to identify them by watching my trades back and watching the videos, and know that this can help you guys. So I've gone into quite a bit of detail with this tonight to not only help myself, but hopefully help some of you guys and kind of put together some sort of structure going forward with this trading shit. So what have I been going fucking wrong on? After checking all of my videos, going through my P&L, really analysing what's going on, what am I doing wrong? Okay, I'll tell you. Number one, entering the trades with the wrong lot size. So essentially risk management. My risk management has been ass. My risk management has been dog shit, if I'm being honest with you. Like if we look at today, so today I was meant to risk 1,000, ended up risking 2,000. Yesterday I was meant to risk 1,000. Sorry, the day before, I was meant to risk 1,000, ended up under risking. Day before I risked 500. But then the first time starting the series, I was risking $1,000. Like everything's just fucking everywhere, bruv. So essentially, that's messed me up big time, right? Now, second thing, I've been letting my losses get way bigger than the wins. If we look at my P&L, right, risk per trade and all this bullshit, blah. My losses, 1.17, 1.2, right? And I mean, there's only 2 losses there. But what are the wins? 0.3, 0.35, 0.7. Like, bruv. Is irrelevant. The only reason why I'm getting away with it a little bit at the minute is I'm barely scraping by is because I have a high win rate. But this is not sustainable and will not work long term. Number 3, constantly changing the risk per trade. Now, I've just spoken about that, so I won't continue. But again, risk management. Risk management is where I'm fucking up more than anywhere right now. Number 4, not sticking to my plan of taking a 50% at TP1 and moving stops to break even. I've been inconsistent with this. So when Mamba calls this, so Mamba's basically suggested what we do is when it gets to TP1 meaning Mamba uses these Fibonacci settings. If you want these settings, they are in the link in my description of every video. So if you come down to every video, boom, breakout settings, boom, there you are, you've got them. But what he suggests is as soon as it comes up to TP1, we take 50% of our position. So say if I've just come in with $1,000, I've now just taken out 50%. So now we're letting 500 run. We're letting that 500 run throughout the day, right? Either he suggests like TP upwards of a 1 to 3 or a 1 to 5, right? So that now 500 becomes 1,000, 1,500, 2,000, and then when it hits a ratio of 5, 2,500 essentially, right? And he just suggests doing that. He says it's better having some profit than no profit. That's basically the plan of that. Now, tomorrow I am going to backtest this with all the trades over the following week and seeing how much this would have actually played out, which I believe is a lot more consistent, and I would be up a lot more if I'd have done this. So I'm going to do that into when I wake up tomorrow, but you guys will see that straight away. That's essentially what I've done. And some days I have done it, but then other days I've not. So I've not been consistent with it and got real valid data whether this shit works or not, and just not stuck to it. And even if I've taken 50% of the position, I've maybe waited a little bit later and then all this bullshit. Like last Thursday, for example, I did this in last Thursday's video, which I believe is in the day 2 video. Niggas dumb as fuck. Yeah, it's in this day 2 video. So look, I've taken 50% of my position at TP1, and now I'm letting the rest run.
We have not had a losing day this week.
Right now, I'm just
As you can see, I started doing some dumb shit,
my face
shaving and that whilst I was trading.
I'm trying to distract myself.
But look, this also goes back to if I am going to do this, but the key thing is now if I'm going to do this, I have to make sure that before I let that shit run, like even today's trade. But if I'm going to do this like I did today on the 5, right? On the 5, I drew out this very strong support level here. And I was saying in the video, look, if it was to get there, I would actually just exit the trade. But because I was trying to play this mentality of, right, I'm trying to pretend I'm a novice and don't have a Scooby-Doo about how to trade, don't know support and resistance and this simple shit. And just seeing if I could simply take a trade with Mamba and win the challenge without really much knowledge. To be honest with you guys, no, can't do it. You need to understand at least some sort of market structure, understand support and resistance, know reversal zones. And it's not complicated, it's just very simple and it's very clear. This is one of them. It's come down a lot and struggled and had an immediate reversal. Hence why when it came down on the video, in today's video, I've drawn this out. So on this is Mamba screen, but on my screen, I've actually put this as a reversal zone. I should have got out at this point and I collected 1.3K, 1.4K, right? I should have got out here. I mean, look, this is what happens at reversal zones, right? It just, boom, just reverses straight back up. So going forward in these videos and in these challenges, when Mamba leaves his trade, because he lets his runners go, but then he leaves the channel, he leaves the trade, he leaves the stream. And what I tend to do is I act dumb and don't act like I don't know, have a clue what I'm doing. But in going forward, because I don't want this challenge to go on fucking forever, and I do actually want to start passing challenges and shit like that, I am going to start using my own bias and my own actual brain and understanding that, look, if we are going to hit a reversal zone and that I've already marked out, even if it's not a TP4 or TP5 yet, I'm going to get out. I'm just going to collect the cash. I'm going to collect the cash. I don't want to be greedy. So that's another thing I'm going to do. And then a big thing I also do, again, this comes back to risk management essentially, is I get too emotional at exits. I'm not sticking to my initial stop loss, letting losers run an extra 0.1 to 0.5% more than they should. Like if we go to the P&L, my loss is like an extra 0.1, this is essentially an extra 0.2 that I let that lot lose. Today, in today's video, I was meaning to get out a bag. I got out at 1.7. But then if we go to last month, where you can see a lot more of the losing trades and how much I actually lost, I come in risking $1,000, but I've lost 2,000, lost 2,000, lost 4,000, lost 1,600. I didn't lose too much on that day. But look, these losses and these overlaps where even though it's these 0.3s and 0.4s over than what I'm initially fucking willing to risk, I mean, it'd be okay, but the reason why it's not okay is because my wins are so small, and that's the biggest thing I'm struggling. This is what's keeping me break even. The thing that's keeping me break even is my wins are tiny, my losses are big, so they're swallowing my wins, which should be the opposite. But the thing that's keeping me alive and keeping me afloat is my win rate is so high. It's just high enough to keep me break even, not profitable, break even, but not also unprofitable. I mean, with all that said, last month's trading, I was up 9K,
But to be honest with you, these first 2 weeks, these were easy wins. These were easy days. There was not much stress, to be honest with you. I won't even class them. If I'm being hard on myself and I'm being serious, like these weeks were more legit. And I know the war markets, but like I don't want to look at the easy shit and be like, oh no, I was doing everything fine. Nah. If I was losing, I want to know why I'm losing. No, I want to be accountable, because when I'm accountable, that's when I know I have power to change and make a difference, right? Hence why I'm making this video. Okay, cool. So now we've understood that. So now I've gone through them 6 main habits and 6 main downfalls that I've been doing. Now, why does this matter? Because these flaws combined is what's keeping me break even right now. And I know this is blocking me from progression and success that I could actually achieve. So what's next? We are going to flip the fucking script. Moving forward, boys, very disciplined with this. I'm going to be very, very, very disciplined with this, right? Risk $1,000 per trade. That's it. $1,000 per trade. I'm not going to increase it. If anything, very specific trades may decrease it. But most part, we're going to be very, very disciplined with each of these, but very disciplined with risking $1,000, right? Boom. Max trades per day, 2. Only a third if it's a confident setup and Mamba calls it. And also if I've not done some bullshit where I've lost a shit ton of dough. Another thing, we're going to test this out. We're going to try this out. I'm going to be the guinea pig for you, man. And I'm going to run this up. At TP1, I'm taking 50% of my profit, moving stops to break even and letting the runners go. As soon as Mamba's telling me to put my stops to break even, I'm putting them stops to break even, right? It doesn't matter what the profit is that I'm at. That's all I'm simply doing. And then for the sake of the runners, I'm going to mark out the next reversal and TP zones. And I'm not just going to hold to hold. I'm going to exit if it's smart and if reversal signs start to appear. Because you need to understand, when the runners are running, Mamba's not on the stream anymore. He's gone. He's made $65,000, $100,000. And he's no longer on the stream anymore because he tends to take full profit. But he suggests for us, beginner traders, to let runners go and hold them. And now look, to actually stick at this and make sure I do this. And so when I update on the P&L every single day, before I do that, to keep accountability, I'm going to come through and tick every single day. If I traded and risked $1,000, did I keep to my max trade rules? Did I take 50% at TP1? And for runners, did I mark out the reversal zones and exit at them actual areas? Started to show signs of reversal, if that was the case. So the only anomalies, the only reason why I may not do these certain things, and the only reason I shouldn't do, as long as I'm not breaking my discipline, is if Mamba calls an early close, whether it's in profit or drawdown, Mamba calls stops to break even due to price action or loss of confidence in his trade, and an incorrect lot size entered. But that shouldn't happen. But if it does, close early, right? And I wanted to put this here as well. I'm owning my flaws, and this is what I suggest you man do as well. Drop the ego if you have it. Understand why you're losing. Analyze. I keep going on about this. Analyze why you're losing. So I'm owning my flaws. I'm locking in on my discipline. And let's see where the week takes us. Let's see if I stick consistent to this and discipline with this. Let's see if I come back next week, right? I'm going to do this tomorrow, but let's see if next week ends up being a positive week and we actually get ahead. Because that's the plan at the end of the day, right? We want to get ahead and we want to make some flipping progress, boys. So I was going to go through all this tomorrow, but it's now 20 past 1 in the morning, and I'm going to go to bed. But yo, hopefully when you man are watching this, the trade coming up next goes super fucking well, and I ain't just stayed up late as fuck to not follow any of this shit. See you man tomorrow. Peace.
Do you want us to wait for Mamba, you know?
Said I wanted off man. He used me if I'm dressed for life. He used me if I'm dressed for life.
Oh, God. Oh, babe. I love this shit. I actually love this shit. It's my favourite part of the whole day right now.
What's going on, everybody?
Let's do it.
Welcome back.
Like I say, boys, everything that he's marking out, I'm marking out on my screen as well. So currently looking at.
I'm gonna go to mark this up for now.
Shit, where are my glasses at? He's looking on the 15, boys. So, am I recording? I am indeed recording. Right, yo, boys, I'm excited. Fucking excited for today. I do need my glasses though, rapid. How long have we got till market open? 3 minutes. 3 minutes. You also, boys, if you want to join this live trading room, first link in the description. Fucking got you, man.
Alright, let's see.
We have indeed secured the bag and an empty bottle. Shit. That's kind of
Monday, 1 to 5s got hit twice on 2 different occasions. Tuesday, a couple 1 to 1s, and then yesterday we had 1 loss and then 1 to 2. So overall, super profitable week, extremely profitable. We feel good about that, but we want another good day here so we can finish off strong. Either way, there's no way we have a losing week, but of course we'd rather have a super duper quadruple fucking winning week than not. So let's get it. Still got another. Actually, market open right now.
Alright, market's open, boys. I've got shit on my glasses. See how this shit moves. So I believe that this shit can go boom, 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 and just shoot up. At the beginning of this video, I've talked about how I'm going to be very disciplined with just $1,000 risk, taking 50% of my trade. Fucking hell, G. Chill out, Mamba. Man's just sneezing his shit down the mic. If I had headphones on, boom!
We're moving really.
50% of my profit taken at target 1, let the rest run. I'm going to be disciplined now. I need to start making a change, because changes need to be made, because
US 30's pushing.
US 30 is pushing indeed.
It's aggressive though. I don't want that shit to fake us out here.
US 30 is pushing very aggressive.
You know how it gets, man. You know exactly what happens when it pushes too fast, too early. Typically always leads to a fake out, so. For me, we have to come up here. For me personally, we gotta come up here. For me to feel comfortable buying that.
You see this part here, yeah? Literally as I was speaking about in yesterday's videos. So if I was to go back to last month and trade with what I know now, I would have probably seen and avoided so many fake outs and avoided so many of them first losses that just should have not happened in the first place if I knew what I was. What I've learned is, I've learned this from Mamba, if the candles are pushing really early at market open and really quick, he definitely more time always leaves the entry point quite a little bit way away from the break of resistance or support. So in this case, as you can see here, it broke resistance. It pushed with quite a bit of force, but it wasn't showing any retracement. There was no second push at this point. So essentially put his entry point a little bit higher just to be on the safer side. So this is another thing with how to prevent fake outs and getting caught up in that bullshit. That's what I've learned. And this is what I got caught up in last month. If you man have been watching me all that time, last month I was always taking these early entries and getting fucking banged.
It's that impulse move. This is where all those impulse buys will come in. So I want to see a little bit more. I mean, it's a
64.
big difference, but I need to see a much better push than that because look, it's what it does, right? We have a crazy aggressive move. All the buyers get in, then boom, the markets are like, all right, let's take everybody out.
Yeah.
We've seen it so many times.
Fully. She's pushing that shit.
Oh my gosh.
It is pushing.
This one wants to go.
He's fucking, it's gone.
All right, we're buying.
Shit, where's the buy?
Buying US 30.
Shit, fuck off. I can't buy. Fuck.
Better not fake out, man.
I can't see.
Giving you a damn
How
chance.
the fuck do I get off of this bullshit? How do I get off this bullshit, man?
Giving you a fucking chance, but gosh, this is so aggressive right now.
Gosh. How do I get off of this, boys? I'm on this fucking shit and I don't know how to get off of it.
First trade of the day, don't risk a lot, please, guys. Do me that favor.
Alright, look, boys, I'll be honest with you. At this point, I was just so thrown off by not knowing how to use this part of the broker I was using. You guys suggested an idea in comments yesterday, like how to use TradeLocker's stop loss percentage and understand my lot size and blah, blah, blah. We're using that. Didn't have a fucking clue how to use it. Threw me completely off. I entered way later than Mamba. So at this point in the video, I'm just going to play the rest of the video and kind of leaving Mamba's analysis in there so you guys are actually having something to take away from this video and from this trade today. It's the best I can do. But yeah, we'll get back to it. I don't know how to fucking
Do me the
remove all
favor
this
of
shit.
not risking your whole account here, please. This is high fake out territory right here. Very high fake
Oh
out
my
territory.
gosh. That's just cost me that. Oh, that's just cost me. For
short
fuck's
position
sake,
coming
man.
in
I'm just doing dumb
here.
shit. I mean, this is because obviously yesterday. Oh, this is why I don't do this shit, man.
This is why I use my lot size calculator. Fucking hell, man.
High fake out territory.
Boys, so basically what's just happened then is... Oh, for fuck's sake, now my stop loss is 100. Oh, for fuck's sake. Basically, boys, in my comments yesterday, you man was saying, yo, suggesting I should use the trade locker stop loss and all this blah, 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 blah. And so... Yeah, I can't lie, I've entered that way.
Wow, big candle. That's a massive candle right here.
No, I might have to just get out of this trade because I've entered this way too late, to be honest with you. Like, I'm not gonna lie, way too late. So basically, I'll speak about it at the end of the video. But fuck me, man.
You have two options, right? We always are gonna have two options. And our options are gonna be to wait to make sure it's not a fake out, which we did today.
Right, I'm out.
Which I feel confident about.
I'm out of that trade.
Or
It's just closed.
get in right away, potentially get faked out, lose your money right away, but your entry is beautiful.
Yeah.
If we would have caught in, I'll just show you guys real quick.
I'm about to
If
get
we
out
would
of
have
the
entered
trade,
right
boys.
on that
Fucked up.
break, we'd already be up like 710 pips.
Yeah.
Instead, we're up about 330, so double almost. But you take that risk of getting in really early and candles moving
Yeah.
fast, everything's going crazy.
Check
You
it.
could get faked out too. So there's two different options, and I want you guys to understand there.
So check it, boys. My entry was way too late on that because obviously I had
You
them
have to
issues.
make that decision. A lot of what trading is a lot of decision making. I will say that.
Yeah.
A lot of what trading is decision making and doing it on the go, being fast, making choices quick, because this is trading. Things happen fast, and we're scalpers, so they're even faster for us. But
Yeah, boys.
we also make the most amount of money compared to swing traders and day traders.
I didn't want to hold that, boys. I
There's
exited.
a target one,
Ended
by the
way
way.
too late. Way too late. I mean, remember
Great push, man. Let's start closing out on some profits and
close out on some profits. You see what I'm
adjusting
saying?
stop losses.
He's saying close out on profits, but I was saying it's so late that it's
Push
just
pop
like
target one.
just bullshit. So I'm gonna have to take the L on that one. I mean, I obviously just got out of the trade. I'm trying to preserve the capital. If anything, I'm gonna wait for Nas.
Nasdaq stuck at support, but could drop. Nasdaq could drop off into a sell position.
It's personally what I'm waiting for to get out of that, unfortunately.
I should
Another
glitch
winning
that
trade
one.
by Mamba, another winning trade for the group, but technical difficulties on my side, which is so fucking annoying. But I'd rather have that was just
What
too
happened?
much risk there. I'm on a funded account. I'm not trying to play around and fucking risk some bullshit, right?
We closed half this trade. Stops are to break even for the secondary
So that-
position. As simple as that. I don't think we're going to get Nasdaq. If Nasdaq does drop below later on, you guys want to take that sell position. It's an opportunity for you guys to trade on your own a little bit. For me, I'm done. I'm out. I'm chilling. I'm letting the second half run on US 30. That's where we're at here. But appreciate you guys being here with me again. Remember, guys. A lot of this is going to take patience. A lot of being successful in this industry is going to take patience, guys. It's not going to happen overnight.
Tell me about it.
You're going to have to get patient. You're going to have to understand losing's okay. Futures funding is going to be one of the biggest keys for you guys to making money, I believe, here in the near future, especially with the regulations with futures. And I got you guys, bro. We came together and we created one of the best prop firms possible in terms of pricing, in terms of trading, in terms of everything.
Yo, boys, if you want to see me do some futures trading, I've never done it before. Drop a comment below.
I'm going to be going live
I'm just sat here watching a
in
trade. I could be
the
in, but-
futures. The question is, are we in US 30 still? Start closing more of your secondary position. Make some money today. It's a big trade. A big fucking trade. Let's go.
Fucking hell, man. Oh,
Any given day of the week.
I can't look at it no more. It's fucking horrible. Oh,
Yo, Amon, do you have my link real quick?
fuck's sake. Shit's flying and I'm just sat here on fucking, I closed out $47 today. Wait, I'm gonna go and fucking buy a coffee. Shit. Oh, bro.
I'm not looking at NASDAQ. There's no reason to. That's another problem that a lot of you guys will have is where you're looking at NASDAQ and you're like, oh, should I get in? I just made money on US 30. NASDAQ. There's no reason to. Like, let's not be greedy.
I'm
We're
not
making
being
money with
greedy.
US 30 today.
I didn't make
There's no
shit.
reason to go and try to make more money here and possibly lose the money we made with US 30.
I'm
We
not
have
made
runners that are
anything.
moving right here. At this target 3, we can close out some more of those runners or just let it run to a 1 to 5. Either way. Either way, look at this candle.
Boys, look at my profit and loss
That's
right now on the left
disgusting.
of the screen. What the fuck am I
It's
gonna
a
leave running?
disgusting candle. I love it.
No, because I'm a
Literally
fucking
love it.
idiot. Oh,
Little morning wood candle.
morning wood candle, you know. Oh, bro, let me show you my screen right now. Oh, bro, this week this group has been unbelievable.
Now
The
you guys are getting
trades.
the real concept right here.
It's just me.
Do it.
It's not you, it's me. I just keep doing dumb shit. Just fucking.
I feel like it is on me. I think it's on my part. I have to be more. I get more active with you guys in the room. I gotta make sure I show you guys exactly what we're doing throughout the entire trade, not just okay, we're up to target 2. See you guys next time. You know what I'm saying? Like, I want to start being a little bit more active with you guys, showing you guys exactly what to do throughout the entire trade. So that way you guys are able to maximize profits, and that way when I'm not here with you guys one day trading, you got it. You got it down. You understand all of it. So
I thought that myself.
XRP's flying. Gosh, I got out of XRP like an idiot.
Nah, you dickhead, man, but why would he get out? He needs to know that.
Almost back to all-time highs. I got out.
So basically, he set a new stop loss here,
Right.
sending into the group. Now trailing the stop
Things
loss.
happen, man.
It's trailing the stop. But speaking of crypto, boys, I'll show you my shit. This is my portfolio for those that are interested and want to know more about crypto. Boys,
All right, another day.
right, yeah, I'm just going to quiet remember. But speaking on crypto, boys, the crypto market is flying right now. These are all my positions, by the way. For those that are interested in crypto, I'm just going to pass over this real quick. But boys, look, Ethereum is now starting to outperform BTC. This is super fucking good if you're holding alts like me. I'm in a lot of AI, a lot of gaming, so look, gaming projects I'm in. If you man are interested in gaming, boom, these are fucking flying. I'm not going to spend all day on this shit. AI, unbelievable projects. I have done my research on every single project I'm in. I've been obsessed with crypto since I was like 15, 16. I've been interested in telling people to buy Bitcoin at like fucking $2,000, $3,000. ISO 20,022. If you know, you know. Boom, boom, boom. Standard trades. But yeah, boys, these are my trades right now. Shit is flying. Everyone wants to be ripping about XRP and shit like that, but boys, getting some of these AI coins, Pinlink, ZKML, fam, like, Jesus Christ, it's crazy. But yo, boys, I'll put you back on Mamba now.
A lot to sit here and look at charts all day and go through the anxieties of losing and winning and making 20K, 30K, losing 20K. It's like, it's a lot. I need 3 days to just recoup, recover, and just be myself for a little bit. But I only do that because I make millions and millions and millions. Bang! Target 3 just like that. I'm going to adjust my stop into that target 2 zone. There it is right there. Let the rest run, baby. If we get down to about 44424, we go ahead and close that out with major profits. Other than that, let it run. Let it fucking run. Appreciate you guys stopping back, man. I will see you guys on Monday. Let's keep killing it. Let's keep making money. Just to really kind of go over what we saw this week. We had a 1 to 5 Monday times 2 on US 30 and NASDAQ. On Tuesday, we had a 1 to 1 on both US 30 and NASDAQ. Then yesterday, we had 1 loss and then 1 to 2. And then today, we're at a 1 to 3, potentially a 1 to 5. So, stupid freaking week. Too easy. See you guys Monday.
Oh, I just fucking missed such a fucking big W I just missed right there. Oh, that's... Emotions. I'm not emotional. Right, yo, boys, you seen it. We just... Oh, boy, well, you seen it there, boys, yo.
Niggas dumb as fuck.
Alright, boys, so I just missed another fucking hell. Honestly, this week has been phenomenal. But like, I just keep doing dumb shit. But boys, like I say in every video, if you want to join the live training room with Mamba, you've just heard him. It's been an unbelievable week. Even the past week was unreal. Boom, live training there, live training there. And if you want to join my free Discord, so if you trade the breakout strategy, boys, why the fuck are you not in this group? The community's flying. We're about to hit 800 members, bro. Are you mad?
Alright, boys, I just had a lot of bullshit just crack off with my audio and shit today, so whatever. But anyway, here's today. I'm going to review this week's trading and let you know how it all went. So for starters, Mamba won every single day. Big win today. This week has been phenomenal. I've just been doing so much bullshit. I've just been doing so much bullshit and just like messing up here and there on dumb, unnecessary shit. So all it is, it's just unnecessary bullshit I keep messing up on. And but besides that, yeah, just unnecessary. Monday was a big win. Tuesday a win. Fuck's sake, man. Tell you what, boys. Next week I'll see you for another video. This shit's getting long now. But if you want to join the MambaFX live trading room, like I said, boys, it is in every single video.
Niggas.
But yo, boys, if you want to join the MambaFX live training room, it's going to be in the description of this video and every single video. Simply just come in here, boom, and you're in. That's it. Besides that, boys, love you and fucking leave you. I'll see you next week. Peace.